Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hopefully you are fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English Primary. Today our topic is verbs. Do you know student what is verb? Verbs are words that express action. Dear students, in this lecture we will learn some action verbs. So first of all, look at the first picture. Here is a man. Now read the sentence with me. This man is walking. This man is walking. In this sentence, walking is an action verbs. Look at another picture. Here is horse. Read the sentence with me. The horse is jumping. The horse is jumping. In this sentence, jumping is an action verbs. Next picture, girl. Read the sentence with me. The girl is writing. The girl is writing. Writing is an action verb. Next picture, a man. Read the sentence with me. The man is sleeping. The man is sleeping. In this sentence, sleeping is an action verbs. Next picture, a boy. Here is sentence. Read the sentence with me. The boy is eating. The boy is eating. In this sentence, eating is an action verbs. Eating is an action verbs. Next picture, a boy. And here are the sentence. Here is the sentence. The boy is running. The boy is running. In this sentence, running is an action verb. Running is an action verb. Next picture, a girl. Read the sentence with me. The girl is reading. The girl is reading. In this sentence, reading is an action verbs. The last picture is here. It is a man. Here the sentence. Read the sentence with me. The man is drinking. The man is drinking. In this sentence, drinking is an action verbs. Okay dear students, it's our today lesson. Hopefully you have got it. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.